Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Vinnu Vinay. As we all know, today is Mahesh Babu sir's birthday. Regarding Mahesh Babu sir, we are doing this video and I'll call Renita. I'll tell her that today is Mahesh Babu's birthday and we are going to discuss about Mahesh Babu sir. Now we are going and calling Renita. Here we go. Hi Renita, how are you?
Hi sir, I'm good. How are you?
I'm very good. I thought to tell you something regarding Mahesh Babu. I think you know Mahesh Babu, right?
Yeah, I know Mahesh Babu, yeah.
Recently, I have watched one of his epic movies, Rescue Scene, right?
Yeah, I have watched that. Yeah, sir.
Today, as you know or don't, I don't know. Today is Mahesh Babu's sir's birthday.
Oh, really? Happy
Yeah.
birthday, Mahesh Babu sir.
Now,
Tell me more about Mahesh Babu.
Actually, why I called you and why you are doing this video is I want to tell about Mahesh Babu.
Okay.
He started his career as a star's son,
Okay.
and now he has become one of the star in Tollywood.
Mm, okay.
Okay, for that I'll tell about him in a very short span. Okay,
Oh, okay, sir.
he was born on 9th August 1975. His father's name is Superstar Krishna. He is also a super actor in the years of 1960s, 70s, and 80s.
Okay.
Coming to his career, he was born in 1975. He started his first film in 1979 at the age of 4.
Okay.
He has done as a child artist from 1979 to 1990. He has done his films as a child artist.
Oh, he was a artist actually.
He has done more films along with his father Krishna.
Okay.
In the year 1999, he has debuted a film called Rajkumarudu.
Okay. Raj
It has-
Kumar Do.
Do.
Okay.
It has crossed 100 days
Okay.
and he had got a Nandi Award. Nandi Award means a state award of our Andhra.
Oh, okay.
He had got a state award for Best Actor Male as a debut.
Okay.
From that, he has done more films called Yuvraj, Murari, Bobby, Vamsi. There are like so many films.
Okay.
In the year 2006, he has released a film called Pokiri.
Pokri. Okay.
Yeah, that was the all-time biggest hit in South India. Not only in Telugu, South India.
In South India.
Yeah.
Okay.
And South India's first 40 crore share movie.
Oh, really? Okay.
40 crore share in 2006.
In 2006.
Around 14 years back. Yeah, in that
Okay.
year, around 40 crore share collected by
Okay.
that film. And this film was remade in so many languages. In Hindi, it was remade as Wanted with Salman Khan.
Okay.
In Tamil,
In Tamil?
it was remade with Vijay Talapati
Yeah.
As-
I watched that film in Tamil.
as
Yeah.
as Pokri only.
Spokri. Yeah.
Yeah, and it was remade in Kannada with the actor called Darshan. Or in that film also, that film name was also Pokri.
Okay.
After Pokri, at that same year, at the year ending of 2006, there is a film called Sainikudu was released.
Okay.
Later 2007, Atithi was released. Both didn't go well at box office.
Okay.
After that, he has took a 3 years break due to some personal reasons. He has take some break from films.
Oh, okay.
And
Is he a social worker or something?
yeah, we'll come to that also later. I'll come.
Okay.
And after 3 years break, in 2010, he has come back with a film called Kaleja.
Kaleja.
The director name is Trivikram Srinivas, who has also directed Ala Vaikuntapuramlo, the same
Oh,
director.
okay. Okay.
But the problem is, it didn't go well at the box office.
That's sad. Yeah.
But Mahesh Babu got very good appreciation for his performance in that film.
Oh, okay.
After that film, so many people used to tell Mahesh Babu is finished, Mahesh Babu's career is gone, better he can stop the films. Like that they used to tell.
Oh, okay.
At that time, Mahesh Babu took a decision.
Okay.
And in the year 2011, there is a film called Dookudu.
Dookudu.
Yeah, Dookudu. It was released. That was the biggest hit you never had by off. That was critiqued by the Los Angeles Times.
Oh,
The-
okay. That was
that
a massive
critic-
comeback, I think. Yeah.
and
Oh.
that is the first film, that is the first Telugu film which crossed $1.5 million collection in America.
Oh, okay.
And that film won 7 Nandi Awards, 7 state awards, 6 Filmfare Awards, 8 Saima Awards.
Oh my god. So many words. Yeah.
Yeah, later he became the richest actor in South India as per the records of Forbes 2015.
Oh my god. That is a massive
And-
comeback.
And he has acted up to now 26 films.
Okay.
In that, 10 films crossed 100 days.
100 days. Okay.
10 films crossed 100 days, and more than 7 films crossed 100 crore club.
Okay.
He is the first actor to open the market for Telugu films in overseas for the film called Pokri.
Okay.
Coming to his awards for only Best Actor Male category,
Okay.
he has awarded 8 state awards for Best Actor. 8 state awards. In 26
Okay.
films, he got 8 state awards.
Okay.
5 Filmfare Awards, 3 Saima Awards, and 1 IFA Award.
Okay.
You have already asked me for his humanity work and all, right?
Yeah.
Coming to humanity work, he has donated 30% of his income to orphanages and old age homes.
Okay.
30% of income, and he is the richest richest person in South Indian actors. He has donated
Okay.
30%. It's not a small number,
Good.
yeah.
Yeah.
And he has done more than 200 children heart surgeries.
Heart surgeries. Okay.
Yeah. And recently, 2 years back or 3 years back, I don't know exact time, he has
Okay.
adopted 2 villages from one is from Andhra called Burripalam and Siddhapuram from Telangana. He has adopted the 2 villages, and he is doing service to that villages. Whatever the village people want, Mahesh Babu is doing for them.
Oh, that is actually a great work.
Yeah, 2 villages means not a small thing, yeah.
Yeah, not a small number of people actually. It may be
Yeah.
huge.
Actually, when he came to film industry, we used to call Prince Mahesh Babu. When his first film was released, later we used to call Prince Mahesh Babu, Prince Mahesh Babu. We used to call like that.
Okay.
I told you about Pokri, right?
Yeah.
For that film, from Prince to he has changed it to Superstar Mahesh Babu. He had
Oh.
won that stardom.
Okay.
And recently we saw a film called Sarleru Nikavaru action sequence, right?
Yeah.
That film which has crossed 200 crores, that was the first film of Mahesh Babu which has crossed 200 crores. Up to now he has crossed so many films of 100 crores and all. That was the first film which crossed 200 crores.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Renita, I want to ask that you told that you know Mahesh Babu, but I didn't watch much films, right?
Yeah.
I think after listening about Mahesh Babu sir's history and all. I hope that you will watch definitely the films which are related to Mahesh Babu.
Definitely, I will watch all his good movies. I will definitely watch that.
If it possible, I will send you the links. You can watch from that also.
Okay.
Guys, I think మీ అందరికీ కూడా ఈ వీడియో నచ్చుంటుంది అనుకుంటున్నాం. అందరికీ తెలిసిందే ఇవాళ మహేష్ బాబు గారి బర్త్డే. మహేష్ బాబు గారి బర్త్డే అని చెప్పి మేము ఈ వీడియో చేయడం జరిగింది. మహేష్ బాబు గురించి మొన్న తెలుగు వాళ్ళకే కాదు, అంటే బయట వాళ్ళకి కూడా తెలుసు, బట్ చాలామందికి ఇంకా తెలియని వాళ్ళు ఎవరైనా ఉంటే వాళ్ళందరికీ కూడా తెలియడం కోసం కేవలం ఇంగ్లీష్లో మాత్రమే మాట్లాడాం. పైగా మనకు మహేష్ బాబు గురించి తెలియదంటే ఏం లేదు. ఆయన ఎలా స్టార్ అయ్యాడు, ఎంత ఉన్నాడు, ఎంత చేస్తాడు, డౌన్ టు ఎర్త్ అన్నీ మనకు తెలుసు. కానీ చాలామంది అంటే ఇప్పుడు కేరళలో ఇప్పుడు తనే ఉంది, తనకు మహేష్ బాబు తెలుసు, కానీ అంతగా తెలిస్తే తను ఒక యాక్టర్ అని మాత్రం తెలుసు. ఇప్పుడు తన గురించి తెలిసాక తన సినిమాలన్నీ చూస్తుంది తను ఖచ్చితంగా. కాబట్టి మహేష్ బాబు ఫ్యాన్స్ అందరూ మా ఛానల్ని, ఒకవేళ మా మ్యాటర్ కనుక మీకు నచ్చుంటే, మా ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ మీకు నచ్చుంటే మమ్మల్ని లైక్ చేసి మా ఛానల్కి సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసి ఆ పక్కన గంట ఉంటుంది అది కొట్టారనుకోండి, మా ఛానల్కి సంబంధించిన వీడియోస్ అన్నీ మేము పెడుతూ ఉంటాం. అలాగే మీ సజెషన్స్ ఏమైనా కూడా కింద వీడియోలో తెలపండి మాకు. ఒకవేళ నేను ఇచ్చిన ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్లో ఇంకా ఏమైనా యాడ్ చేయాలి అంటే ఇంకా నేను కొంచెం ఏమైనా మిస్ అయ్యాను అని మీకు అనిపిస్తే అది మా కింద కమెంట్స్లో చెప్పండి. నెక్స్ట్ టైం మేము చూసుకుంటాం.
So, once again, happy birthday, Mahesh Babu sir. You also have so many fans in Kerala as well. So, if you like our video reaction, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon to get notified. We'll be posting more. So, if you have any suggestions, please let us know in the comment section. Thank you.
Bye. See you soon in the next video. Bye guys.